Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Suzuki Boulevard M50. This middleweight sport cruiser 805cc V-twin is fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got the upside down forks like a sport bike, but it's shaft drive. Beautiful shape, only about 3,500 miles. We also have the rear passenger seat if you want to go two uprighting. Come on by, make your Boulevard dreams come true for just $59.90. This bike is in perfect showroom condition. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.